Usually, you build the house first, then you put a roof over it. Here, it feels like the exact opposite happened. A huge roof seems to float between the trees, and everything that makes up daily life happens beneath it. The enclosed rooms, the terraces, the walkways, and the shaded outdoor areas. At Casa en Ensenada, the roof is not just the top of the house, it is where the whole idea begins. The house is located in Ensenada, Chile. It measures about 1,670 square feet and sits on a wooded site with natural changes in elevation. Instead of designing a closed box first, the architects created one large shelter. Then they arranged the private rooms, shared living spaces, and protected outdoor areas underneath it. It's almost as if the house was designed from the top down. The architects themselves compare the roof to a giant hat or even a permanent tent. A dark steel structure supports it, while wood covers the underside, making the ceiling a constant presence throughout the house. From a distance, the roof looks larger than the house itself. It stretches far beyond the walls and glass, making the enclosed rooms feel like smaller boxes placed beneath one long horizontal plane. The approach follows the slope of the land. The path gradually moves down through the trees without revealing the entire house at once. First, you see the roof. Then, the wood-clad volumes, the glass walls, and the sheltered spaces underneath begin to appear. The shared living area is the most transparent part of the house. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow together in one continuous space, surrounded by large glass panels. The kitchen sits in a slightly more protected zone. The dining table anchors the center. The living area moves closer to the open sides facing the landscape. The view is not framed by one main window. As you move through the interior, the trees shift, the light changes, and the relationship with the outdoor spaces keeps changing too. At the corners, the glass panels meet in a way that makes the house feel even less enclosed. The dark steel structure creates thin lines around the space, while the wood floor and ceiling continue out toward the terraces. Transparency appears where the views and shared moments matter most. Wood closes things off where privacy is needed. The steel structure remains visible throughout the house. Beams and columns show how the large roof is supported without relying entirely on the walls below. That separation makes the roof feel like an independent plane, suspended above the smaller volumes underneath. The private rooms follow a different approach. They're tucked inside wood-clad volumes, keeping the entire house from becoming one completely transparent glass box. The deep roof overhangs also protect the glass walls. The glazing sits farther back, while the roof creates shade and reduces direct sun exposure. The material palette is straightforward. Steel defines the structure. Wood wraps the enclosed rooms, the floors, and the underside of the roof. Glass keeps the shared spaces visually connected to the landscape. At ground level, the volumes remain separate and adjust to the terrain. Above them, the roof brings everything together. Some parts of this shelter are enclosed in wood, others are wrapped in glass, and some are left completely open. The volumes organize the house. The wood provides privacy. The glass opens it to the landscape, and the roof turns everything beneath it into part of the home. Usually, a house gets a roof. Here, it feels like the roof got the house, and everyday life simply found its place underneath.